Okay, so hi everyone. This video is going to be very useful for the people who are planning to study in Canada and also for those people who are already studying in Canada in Quebec province. Okay, so if you are studying in Quebec province, then you can earn extra cash. Okay, so the good news is कि if you are studying in Quebec and if you are planning to study in Canada, then you should prefer Quebec, because if you are coming to Quebec, then government will provide you financial assistance to learn French. Okay, so this is how you can make yourself financially independent in Canada while studying also. So इससे पहले क्या होता था बेसिकली कि आपको फ्रेंच सीखनी पड़ती थी अगर आप कनाडा के पीआर के लिए अप्लाई करोगे, अगर आप क्यूबेक में रहते हो, बिकॉज इन क्यूबेक फ्रेंच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर पीआर. ओके, बट इन अदर प्रोविंसेस इट इज नॉट दैट कंपल्सरी. बट क्यूबेक में बिना फ्रेंच के आपको जॉब में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं एंड पीआर के टाइम पर भी आपको काफी दिक्कतें हो सकती हैं अगर आपकी फ्रेंच नहीं है. एंड एक्सप्रेस एंट्री में भी एंड पीएनपी में भी आपको फ्रेंच अगर है आपके पास तो आपको एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स मिल जाते हैं. एंड अगर आपके पास फ्रेंच है तो आपके पीआर के चांसेस बहुत हाई हो जाते हैं. सो यू हैव सीन इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियोस. सो अगर आप कनाडा में स्टडी करने का प्लान कर रहे हैं, तो अगर आप क्यूबेक चूज कर रहे हैं तो डोंट वरी, आपको फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस भी प्रोवाइड होगा. अगर आप पार्ट टाइम जॉब भी करते हो तो उसमें 20 आवर्स पर वीक से ज्यादा यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल. तो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन मेक नॉट मोर देन 1300-1400 Canadian dollar in a month. Okay, so if you take the full-time French learning course, then you will earn around 800 Canadian dollars in a month. And if you take a part-time one, then you will earn around $25 in a day when your course duration is of 4 hours of lesson in a week. Okay, so this is how you can earn by just learning French in Canada. And there is one module also, that is online module. You can register for free for online module also, but in online module the government won't provide you financial assistance. Okay, so in this video we'll see step by step how to register, where to register, what are the eligibility criteria, and how to fulfill the requirements. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so just come on this web page. Don't worry, I will provide a link in my description or full step-by-step procedure in blog post. Okay, so you can see there are many modules here. First one is full-time courses, second one is part-time courses, and next is online courses, and then specialized courses by field of employment. Okay, we will see one by one. So let's open the full-time courses. So in full-time courses you have to give 25 to 30 hours of lessons per week. Okay, so if your part-time job is not that hectic, then you can choose this module. And in this module you can see 8 to 12 weeks of lessons per session. Financial assistance is also there, and the French languages beginner and intermediate levels. Okay, let's see how much financial assistance they will provide for this. Okay, so it is asking, are you a person who is born in Canada or you are an immigrant? We all are immigrant there in most of the cases. So you can see the conditions of admissions are written here. Let's open this. Okay, so these are some conditions. These are very easy. Your place of birth is outside Canada. You are 16 or older. You live in Quebec. Okay, so these are some conditions and how much financial assistance they will provide. Let's open this. Okay, so you can receive $200 per week. Okay, so this is how you can earn around $800 in a month just for studying French language. Okay, so these are some conditions. You cannot receive this financial assistance if you or your spouse are receiving last resort financial assistance. Okay, you are already receiving money from employment insurance, workforce training measures, aim for employment program, commission, des norms, Quebec parental insurance plan. Okay, so if you are also receiving the assistance from any of these, then you are not eligible to receive the financial assistance from this category. Okay, so now how to register? Link is here. You can just register by going on this link. You have to provide some information. You have to provide a document that proves your immigration status and your individual reference number. Okay, so your individual ITN number, your TTN number. Okay, so just provide these details and you can register by clicking here. Okay, so this is how you can register for free. And the centers are available all over the Quebec. Okay, so this is how you can start your form from here. Okay, so the second module, part-time courses. Okay, so for part-time, you will have to take at least 4 hours of lessons per week, and this will also be in class everywhere in Quebec. Okay, and 8 to 12 weeks of lessons per session. Financial assistance is also available in part-time, beginner and intermediate level. So levels are there. Okay, so let's open this immigrant. Okay, so schedule is here, 8 to 12 weeks of lessons per week, day, evening or weekend class, number of hours of lessons per week, 4 hours, and location all over the Quebec. Okay, now let's see how much financial assistance is there. For part-time, you can receive $25 for each day that you take a course of 3 hours or more. Okay, to be eligible for this financial assistance, you must take at least 4 hours of French lessons per week in a French speaking institution. Okay, how to register? You can register by going through these steps. Okay, so after registering, if your registration application has been refused, you can request a reconsideration of the decision. Okay, so if your application has been refused, then you can reapply for reconsideration. Courses participation, these are some criteria, these are some limitations. You are absent for 5 days during the session, then you can lose the financial assistance. Okay, and let's see the online courses. Okay, so in online courses you are not going to have the financial assistance, so I think you should prefer either full-time or part-time. So the online courses is of intermediate and advanced levels to learn at your own pace. Okay, so you can see these accordingly. Okay, so thank you very much. If you love our content, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video. And if you want to know more about more institutions in Canada, the universities, and how to apply, how to find right program, then you can watch the video from I button. Okay, so thank you very much. See you in the next video.